Right now, there's a quiet war happening on the internet, and it's not humans versus bots in a sci-fi movie. It's websites versus AI crawlers. Here's what's going on. AI companies send out bots to crawl the web and copy huge amounts of text, images, and other data. That content is then used to train large AI models, often without the creators being paid or even clearly asked. Cloudflare, which sits in front of a massive chunk of the internet's traffic, has been watching this closely. Since July, they say they've blocked over 416 billion AI bot requests. That's not 416 million. That's 416 billion attempts by bots to scrape content that Cloudflare customers decided they don't want used for AI training. To push back, Cloudflare has started talking about content independence, basically giving site owners an easy way to say, yes, you can use my stuff for AI, or no, you can't. But the story really heats up when Google enters the picture. Cloudflare is calling out Google because Google's search crawler and its AI crawler are bundled together. In simple terms, if a website tries to block Google's AI from using its content, it risks also blocking Google search from indexing that content. And for most sites, disappearing from search isn't an option. That's traffic, readers, customers, gone. So publishers end up stuck in a kind of lose-lose situation. Either allow your content to be used to train AI models you don't control, or pull back and sacrifice your visibility in search. Cloudflare is raising the question, should one company be able to tie those two things together, search and AI training, so tightly that opting out of one means losing the other? On one side, you've got AI companies arguing they need broad access to data to keep models useful and competitive. On the other, you've got creators, publishers, and platforms saying, we deserve a real choice, we deserve control over how our work is used. This isn't just a technical debate about bots and firewalls, it's about the future business model of the internet. Will content be something AI companies can freely harvest at scale? Or will it shift to a world of licenses, payments, and clear opt-outs where creators set the terms? Cloudflare's massive block numbers and its public challenge to Google are early signs that this fight is going to get louder. The bot war is escalating, and what gets decided in the next few years will shape who really holds power over the web, the platforms that crawl it or the people who actually create what's worth crawling.